What's that?
And go chuck it in the bin if you don't want it. I'm not even in your mood.
Can you stop?
I'm not in your mood. I'm not gonna be you.
Come carry this.
You have hands now. You bring it back outside if you don't want to eat it. Do you understand? Because we make food for each other every day. You could have made food today. I don't want to have a conversation. Dosun's right here.
I asked you what you wanted.
Then you could have figured it out. I asked you what you want. You never answer, and I still figure it out. So, I don't understand. You're about to be immature. Do you know what? Let's even have this conversation. Since you want to be immature, I'll be immature with you. Babe, you're selfish and you're self-centered. That's actually how you are. And it doesn't work for me because I'm not like that. I'm super selfless. So if you want to have this conversation, we'll have this conversation. Now, I decided to go make food anyway, and you want to be mature about it and you don't want to eat. I don't mind. I'm not going to make food for myself because I don't do that. I'm going to make food for both of us because that's what I always do. I'm not going to become you. I'm going to stay being myself, but you do need to switch up because I feel like what you did was out of order. I never even asked you to make food. I always sort it out. So if I ask, it's like, what does it even cost you to figure something out? It costs you nothing. Absolutely nothing. We're not even doing shit here like that.
I like this song so much, sorry. This one's really good. Maybe remember my mom, like, I'm just going through this.
See your face.
Stop, stop. Stop, stop. Stop, stop.
I'm not dancing, you know I'm not in a good mood. I'm not in a good mood, I'm not dancing.
I'm sorry.
It was cool, babe. Everybody's different, Sha, like, because even when I talk to girls, yeah, be like, oh, why'd you break up with your ex, or why did you end your last relationship, or he was a dick, or like, he was cheating, or he behaved like this, or da-da-da. I never hear women ever say like, yo, you know what, like, I wasn't treating him right, so he started behaving a certain type of way, or blah, 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 blah. Because, like, when I talk to my boys, it's
that
like...
has never been my case.
I'm saying...
I'm so caring.
Well, that's what you're saying, innit?
I know that for sure.
Okay, well, I think that's relative to...
You're expecting so much from me in the house that I can't give. Why are you, like, concluding already?
Because I wouldn't be in the position I'm in with you if I waited till I was out there. Right now that I've got the time with you, I'm trying my best to show you that I will be amazing and treat you the best way possible when I'm out there. And that's what you should be doing for me as well. Because it takes two of us. And I think that's what you're not realizing. Like, I think a lot of guys in Naija, like, they do so much to get a girl. Like, they spend all the money in the world. They're constantly chasing the babe. Like, that's me, but that's also not me. I'm a prize too. Any girl that's with me is blessed. She's lucky. So it's like, she also has to show me why I should be choosing her. I'm loyal. I work super hard. I don't want to use the word successful, but I'll say I work super hard. I'm talented. I know a lot of things about myself. I'm good looking. So the same way you're a prize for me, I'm a prize for you. And I'm doing my best to show you why we should be together. You have to show me as well why I should be with you.